Okay, day number 5. Last thing to do here is take the rear end out, and I've sprayed everything down. I got to take this sway bar off the back, which is kind of unique for a Boss 429. Put a sway bar on the rear axle. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to take the shocks off, take these traction bars off, and you can see they've got the wrong plate here. I don't know where the original plates went, but I'm going to have to source those now. Take off the parking brake cables, leaf springs, tie downs, take all this stuff off the back, and then I will be ready to, I'll take the rear valance off as well. And then I think I'm ready to put this on the rotisserie. I'm gonna leave the doors on for now. But as you can see, all this I took off yesterday, and I started tearing these front suspension apart. So still got another couple hours taking this all apart, cleaning it up, and putting it away for storage for right now. So okay, so I've got the traction bars off and the sway bar, valance, exhaust hangers, and so a few miscellaneous things on the back here. And I've got the axle setting here on this leaf springs. I've taken the bolts or the nuts off on the front on both sides, and then I've loosened up the shackles here on both sides. So now what I'll do is I'm going to set them down on my homemade jack stands that I welded to some dollies. Those work pretty good. I'm going to set the axle down on those jack stands, and that'll take the pressure off. Here I'll pull these out, drop the leaf springs, lift it back up, roll the axle out of place. So a lot of times I got to do stuff by myself. I don't have any help today, and obviously that rear end's too heavy to lift out, and I don't have a transmission jack here. I've got one at a different location, but this will work really good, and that way I can just store them right on there until I take it apart. And I'll have this all media blasted and paint it. I'll have the pickle all detailed out and rebuilt as well, new brakes and so forth. So springs I'll send out, have those media blasted, and I usually phosphate and oil those. I think they're supposed to be natural. Same with these, but phosphate and oil them, they don't rust up on you, and it looks pretty good. So I'll let Mark decide which way he wants to go on that. Okay, I'm going to drop it down and take that axle out. There we go. I set it down on the jack stands. You can see it turned a little bit. Just had to make sure you kept it lined up. And then I just popped the shackles off at the back. Springs drop down. Now I'll raise it up. Make sure the springs drop down. Don't take any pressure off the axle. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to roll this up with the rest of the stuff there and pull the springs off. I've got the fuel line to take off, these rubber bumpers here, just these tie downs. I'll take those off. Exhaust hangers, I'll get those off. I gotta get the battery tray off yet. Take those bolts out, and I think that's it. Then I'll get my structure on here. I like to run something from here to here and tie it on the frame, and that's where my rotisserie will mount to. So